Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the cactus mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the cactus mutated fish is usually located in the ancient sands and it is usually in a green color. So I spot one in here, this fish right here. So you can just use your bass gun and shoot it like this and just hover it long enough until you successfully get the cactus mutated fish. So that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you on the next tutorial.